Je dis un petit vlog. Nous parlons de tout chawa, pas de faire. Toutes les autres pas de faire. Okay? It's just a vlog. Come enjoy. Tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne. Ne pas oublier abonner à la chaîne, like vidéo, quitter un commentaire pour moi, m'a pas nos réponses en bas vidéo. OK? Je dis c'est juste un petit vlog. Nous parlons de côté m'a fait. Chawa. OK. And yeah. Avant ça, avant de faire tout le bagage, je vais aller à docteur. Je vais connaître si on va prendre ça, mon night. Je vais connaître si on bon piqui ou night. Chaque mois, I guess. Toujours faire check-up, you know, check-up pour checker pour santé, okay? My hair look crazy, but my hair, guys, because my hair is crazy, always crazy, okay? Yeah, just allez, okay? I'm all by myself. Rendez-vous aussi à midi. Rendez-vous à midi, il fait 10h51. Kounya là. So, je vais passer dans McDonald's, ok? Ou bien dans Popeye, dans Wendy's, KFC, Checkers. Which one? I'm going to Popeye, but si you're busy, the bomb, I'm probably in Burger King because Popeye is always busy. Because Burger King also have a good, spicy, crispy chicken. That shit tastes good. Really good. The sun, shit. My face so greasy, and we're telling the KFC instead, cause I don't know. I'm just telling the KFC. If I'm passing my recorder, boy, I'm pas recorder way. And I got this. A big box. He get the chicken ladon. Your cookies and macaroni and cheese, and I buy a drink. So yeah, the chicken not a good, but yo, fuck. Come back for the chicken now. Too blanche, like the fuck. What the fuck is this? So, the macaroni, macaroni, the macaroni avec ça bien belri, on captively, but ça marque KFC sous lui. Là ici on va comprendre. Excuse me, do you guys know where's the lab?
I don't know, I just use the dentist, but there's a board right there. You should be able to see which, if there's a name on it.
Thank you. I hope, guys. I'm looking for the lab.
Yeah, you gotta go down this little, you walking or you driving?
Driving.
Okay, hold on, yeah. Take this little strip through here, and it's behind us, that building.
All right, thank you.
You have to go through this little strip.
Okay.
And don't go to the main road. When you see the little sign right there, you'll see a pathway you can go down.
All right, thank you. Thank you. When I get lost. So, li di m lab yo nan pati sa yo. La. De suppose well. Oh, I guess la. Yeah, I guess la. So, I need to park somewhere. There's nowhere to park. Excuse me. Oh, there's a parking. I find one, I find one. I find one. I find one. Moi finalement jwenn yon parking. En il fait midi. So rendez-vous c'est à midi 45 on sait kaka kembem. Pardon. Ah ici. Ah ici. Okay guys. Okay guys, so this is how I look. And my baby said I look fire. The baby me look fire, but I was person to me look fire, okay? So muy bien. Sweet 209, 209, 209.